Hi, this is Quinn with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to create production files for screen print and embroidery. Both of these departments work off of PDF files, so they are exported the same way. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your order, and we can see that these are proof approved. So the first thing you're going to do is navigate to that order in the farm. So you're going to find CB orders, your order number, and go into the work files. You're going to look for the latest revision of each product. In this case, there was only one set of proofs out. If there's more than one, you'll see an R1 and R2 for any further revisions. Just make sure you're grabbing the one that has the latest number on it. So these two, I'm going to select these both by holding down Control so that I can select them both at the same time. And I'm just going to copy them and I'm going to put them in the production files. For embroidery orders that we've done before, that's all that you'll need to do for this because we don't export any new files on jobs that we already have the digitized files for. If it's a new job or a screen print job, then you'll go to export your files. So from your work files, you'll open your folder or your file in here. I've already got mine open in the background, and both of these products are the same art, just a different colorway, so I can export them both out of the same file. What you're going to do is you're going to click into your asset export. You're going to take your file, and our colors have already been assigned to this, and it's already off to the side at the correct size. So we're just going to take this and we're going to drag it in here. Then for your name, it's going to be your order number, dash your product number. So this blue one is product 2 and the white is product 1. So I'm going to do -2 for this, and then underscore, and your placement. So this is a left chest placement, so it'll be LC. And then underscore and the size. So this is 3.5. We want to make sure we're never putting periods in file names because it can mess with how they pull in. So I'm just going to do 3 space 5 for 3.5. And then IN for inches. And then underscore, and then we're going to put the customer name. And you can copy and paste this from the order as well. And there's a production file naming cheat sheet down here that has all of that information as well as the placements. So I'm just going to select all of this with Control A and Control C to copy this file name because I know that my other one is exactly the same, just a different color. So all I have to do on this is change this to product 1. Now I've got both of these files ready to export. So if you're exporting more than one, select one, hold Control on your keyboard, and then select the rest of them that you want to export with it. You want to make sure down here that your export settings is set to PDF, and then you can hit export. It's going to open up your file navigation, and you're going to go back a layer to your order folder and then into your production files and hit select folder. So now we can see in our production files we've got those 2 proofs as well as our 2 production files. The next step we're going to do in this is we're going to move these to ready to purchase so that purchasing can get the garments for them. If it says CSM in the product name, those will go straight to receiving because those are customer supplied garments. And that's how you export production files.